Okay, the crane is moving around. He backed up really close to the house so that he can get closer. So now he's gonna help us with the ledger boards. I can't videotape while I'm doing this. As soon as he's up there, and yeah, he hasn't opened the crane yet, but as soon as he's up there, I have to go up. And but look at this. I cannot believe my measurements were like perfect everywhere I measured. You know, shout out to Google SketchUp and other softwares like 3D, Sweet 3D helped me design this precisely, and as according to my design, everything came out to be precise. Yeah, it just slipped in. Everything is perfect. Only that area gave us a little bit of problem because it wasn't smooth enough. But the beam sat in perfectly, perfect, and sat in there also perfect. So I can't believe. I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Ready to go up. Look at this. Ready to go up. The precision is unbelievable, right? So they're welding it. They're gonna weld it everywhere. All right. So while they're doing that, I am going to get my eyes zooming up. So I'm gonna have to go up there. See, I removed everything on this side, and I removed everything on this side, right? But I left this side on. I'm gonna leave this scaffolding on until I put the trusses, right? So, and yeah, this weekend we're gonna install the truss across. Before I do that, I'm gonna have to install 2x8 or 2x8 lumber on top of the I-beam. Okay, so I guess I can only talk for 2 minutes, so thank you so much.